Welcome back, HARBRO, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. 10 days of deals at Harbor Freight continues. We're at deal of the day 9. Where are you? Deal of the day, almost there. 9. Deal of the day 9. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, hyping, becoming a channel member. We're at 28,000. Let's get to 29,000 subscribers. Let's keep growing this community, the best HARBRO community out there. Deal of the day 9, 2 great deals. This is confirming what we were missing in the shopping cart, from the shopping cart. 40% off all Apache cases. And this is a throwback to what they used to do. I haven't seen the 40% off Apache in a while. HARBROs, correct me if I'm wrong. 40% off all Apache cases. This is like 2 years ago. That's an excellent deal. And then $36 for the Braun 1000 lumen tactical rail mount LED light. I always love me a good rail. Limit 1, normally $60, 40% off. And when it's all one brand, that makes it easy. So let's just go over all Apache. We'll sort from highest to lowest. 40% off. I love it. If there's ever a time to pick up an Apache case, it's now. Individually, these cases sometimes go slightly above the 40%, but it's not often, and it's not going to be much higher. Maybe 50% off a specific case, but at 40%, you're there. But we'll start off with the heavy hitter. This is the one that was in the shopping cart, if I recall correctly. Apache 3800 weatherproof protective case. Large and orange is how we like it. Just, I don't know where I'm going. $35, 12% off. Instant savings going through August 13th. You can also get it in black or in tan, but it's already $35. And I saw some of the HARBROs confirming that they're able to stack the instant savings. So don't go without trying to stack them, guys. Let them tell you no if it's not possible. But $35 at 40% off. You're getting the 3800 weatherproof protective case from Apache compared to Pelican for $21. Nuts. Great choice. Then we'll start off with the heavy, or the hefty hitters. Apache 9800 weatherproof protective rifle case, long and black, $150. You can also choose green or tan at $150. It is a little bit pricey, but probably well worth it. I know they're already a great savings compared to the Pelican. Probably not as good as a Pelican. HARBROs, let me know. I know some of you, I'm sure, have Pelicans and the Apache. But at 40% off, get it down to $90. Sub $100. Sub $100, which is nuts. $90, saving $60. We keep going. We got the Apache carry-on case, extra large protective rolling carry-on. 5800 rugged, resistant protective case, watertight. $90. You can carry this on to the airlines, which is what makes it even more amazing. It's at $90, but at 40% off, get it for $54. $54 for any type of protective carry-on case is unheard of. I would say is unheard of. You're not getting anywhere near this quality for $54 for any type of carry-on case. Don't at me. Just kidding. You can at me. Let me know if there's any better deals than that, because that'd be amazing. I'm all about the deals. But $54 for the Apache carry-on. We keep going. The Apache 4800 weatherproof protective case, extra large and black. $60, watertight, dust tight, impact resistant, available in 5 different colors. Similar to the 3800, just the 3800 has way bigger savings. $60 at 40% off, getting it down to $36. Actually, maybe pick them both up, because you're getting 2 for the price of 1. At regular price, you'd pay $60. In this case, you can get the 4800 at $36. You can get the 3800 at $21. That's less than the $60 you would pay for 1. That's a HARBRO math at its best, and it'll let you pick up 2 cases, because you can describe the logic to your wife. Then, of course, we go on to the Apache 2800, $29.99. Watertight, dust tight, impact resistant protective case, medium, a little bit less, $30. Still a great deal, $18. And you're out the door with this. You're out the door with this bad guy. And not only are you out the door, but it's the free gift weekend. So you can get yourself some ratcheting straps, a Braun headlight, some wrenches, SA Metric from Pittsburgh, and you're making out like an absolute bandit. like Bandit from Bluey. Then we have the 1800 weatherproof protective case, small in black, only available in black. That's interesting. $15 and at 40% off, getting it for sub $10, less than $10, and you're out the door with the watertight, dust-tight, impact-resistant protective case. That's as good as it gets. And then they have this little buddy, 550 weatherproof clear case, $14. Also watertight, dust-tight, impact-resistant clear case. $14 is nuts, but that's more around the regular price for anywhere you get something like this. But we do that math wrong. $14, 40% off, getting down to $8.40. So that is the 40% off all Apache cases. Get one of each one if you want to. That's a ridiculous deal, and I love to see it throw back to the early days of daily thrift and deals. Then we have Braun. Also this is a good deal. They've done Deal of the Day 9 well. In the past, Harbor Freight has done the last couple of days pretty poorly. We'll see what they do for us for Deal of the Day 10, but Deal of the Day 9, I think, is excellent. $36, normally $60, 40% off. Braun 1000 lumen tactical rail mount LED. That's as straightforward as it gets. Braun has done 40% off sales in the past. So it's similar to those deals. This is Braun. This would be part of those sales. But still, at least they are matching previous parking lot sale levels of Braun LED lights. So $60, get it 40% off, down to $36. And you're out with a tactical rail mount LED light. Great deals. Again, straightforward. That's Deal of the Day 9. Let me know what the HARBROs think. Make sure you remember when you're in there getting your Apache case or your Braun light, make sure you pick up your free gift with any purchase if you're ITC. But I'll leave it at that. HARBROs, let me know how your days of deals are going. And as usual, happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.